Hi. Welcome to E27. Today, I will show you how to submit your funding news to E27. Before you start, make sure you are logged in to your E27 account. To start, hover your mouse to your profile picture in the upper rightmost corner to see the drop-down menu. Then navigate towards Submit Funding News. Here you will be asked, does the company have a profile page on E27? If the company has a profile on E27, you may select the company by typing in this field. You may also include the investor who participated in the round. Otherwise, you may click Create Company Profile to create one. Once ready, you may proceed with adding the headline. Who raised, how much, and from who? In the Key Information field, you can add the following details: the name of the company that has raised the capital, names of the co-founders and investors, the amount raised in US dollar, funding stage, whether equity, venture debt, or strategic investment, the company's plans with the capital, details of the previous rounds, and a brief description about the company and its products or services. You may also add a relevant picture using the Insert or Edit Image icon under the Key Information tab. Pictures of founders, or one with investors, will be best. Avoid company logos or screenshots of the website or app. The tool also allows you to add quotes from key people, founder, investor, etc., or any other additional information. Lastly, click Submit for review. We will review the information and fact-check it thoroughly before publishing. Once published, you will also receive a notification via email. If you have any questions or technical difficulties while submitting, email us at writers@e27.co.